Hello friends, this is the third video that I am taking today. I am highlighting one problem with Swiggy. Now let's clear the memory first. Memory is clear. I start the Swiggy app. Now the problem is I have got more than one wow triple one coupons. I think it's triple one or 121. We'll have to check. So it is taking the coupon that is expiring at a later date. I have one coupon that is expiring today, but the system is not taking that. I have tried 2 times, but still it is taking the coupons that is expiring at a later date. So I will show you the coupon. So I click on offers. So as you see, coupons are not visible in the offers section. This is another bug. I have highlighted this to Swiggy many times, but they have blocked my email. So it's a saying goes, bhalai ka zamana hi nahi raha. So they have blocked my email because I am trying to point out the bugs. So these videos I will be sending through another account, another email ID. Okay, so now to see the coupons, I have to first add something in the cart. So I go to KFC, the same item I am ordering. In the previous 2 orders I have ordered the same thing. So it is already in the cart. I remove it and then again I add it, and I add medium fries with that. So this is the total is coming to 484. Now let me show you my previous 2 orders. Those are both are for today. So this has been ordered June 2nd 1:05 p.m. and this one is ordered June 2nd 11:41 a.m. So in the 11:41 a.m. I have used the wow 121 coupon. Okay, and in the 1:05 p.m. order also I have used the wow 121 coupon. So in spite of using the wow 121 coupon 2 times, I am not able to use the wow 121 coupon which is expiring today. So we come back to the cart. Now here I will tap on apply coupons. Now see, I have got the wow 121 coupon which is expiring on 2nd of June. 2 times I have used this today, but still I am not able to use the one which is expiring today. It is using the ones which is expiring at a later date. I click on apply. It has applied. I take a screenshot, and now I take a final screenshot. Okay, so the amount is 363. Let me check whether the previous 2 bills were of 363. Yeah, this one is 363 and this one is also 363. So I go to cart. Amount is 363 and I tap on proceed to pay. So I will be pay using Amazon Pay. So I tap on pay using Amazon Pay. So payment has been made. So KFC has received the order and saying KFC is preparing your order. Now again, to check which coupon it has used, if we go to offer section, obviously we won't be able to see the coupon. So again I will have to add something in the cart. So I will do the same thing. I will go to KFC, add this Wednesday strips bucket, with medium fries, and then I will tap on view cart. So amount is 484. Now here I will be able to see which coupon has been used. So I click on apply coupon. Now the moment of truth. Okay, so finally it has used the coupon of June 2nd. So now it's showing me the coupon of June 09. Now behind this June 09, how many coupons are there, I don't know. And let me check which date June 09 falls. Okay, so June 09 is next Wednesday, so I will use it on next Wednesday. Okay, so this is the bug I wanted to show. Thank you very much, and I hope you rectify the problem.